sent by Marnali Chakrabarti. Oh, this was sent by Manali. Thank you so much. Dick, this is what I was talking about. इतनी मेहनत. Oh, beautiful, yeah. भाई शादी के बाद इंपॉर्टेंस देखो अपनी कभी थी इतनी. अरे मेरी फोटोज कहाँ हैं सिर्फ इसी की हैं. You are so special and I hope you flow through the day with a big smile on your face. Hope you have a magnificent birthday with your loved ones. Keep being awesome and always take care of yourself and others. Wishing you a day that is as special in every way as you are. Have a wonderful day. Hope you're doing good and a very happy birthday to you. पहली बात मैं अपोलोजाइज करना चाहूँगा मेरे घर में ज़रा थोड़ा सा काम चल रहा है तो उसकी वजह से आवाज़ बहुत है और अगर आज मैंने नहीं करा तो वो 10 दिन बाद एसी लगाने आया फिर गायब हो जाएंगे. सॉरी नन ऑफ योर बिजनेस. Hope you're doing good at first. A very happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. I'm sure you must have lots of planned for today. So make the day rocking and enjoy it with your near and dear ones. Like another year, this year also sent something for you. Hope you like it and I know you already got a lot of cards, gifts, etc. And you have opened it all. So not more words for today. And if possible, then forgive me for my bad handwriting. You know what? पहली बात तो ये जो आपने बना के भेजा है दिस इज आउट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड. ओके दूसरी बात हैंडराइटिंग की बात अगर आप मुझसे नहीं की जाए तो बहुत ही बेहतर है. अगर जिस दिन आपने मेरी हैंडराइटिंग देख ली यू विल स्टार्ट कंसिडरिंग योरसेल्फ द इन्वेंटर ऑफ व्हाट यू कॉल इट कैलीग्राफी. द इन्वेंटर ऑफ कैलीग्राफी. मेरी हैंडराइटिंग बहुत ही फुद्दू है. थैंक यू सो मच. आई विल ट्राई एंड वेयर इट क्योंकि मेरी शूट पे मुझे कुछ पहनना अलाउड नहीं है सिवाय इस कड़े के. But I'll make sure that if I can pull it in somewhere, I will wear it for sure. And make sure that all of the whole world, whoever sees my show, sees it. कि मैंने वो चीज़ पहनी है जो आप लोगों ने मुझे भेजी थी. Thank you so much. Oh, this is Jayata's gift. Thank you for the shirt. ये एक लौता कलर है जो मैंने एक ही बार आज तक पहना है अर्जुन में. I might just wear it in Talash also this time. लेकिन Chinese collar. थैंक यू जयता सो मच. एनिवर्सरी ओह यार 10 दिन बाद तो मेरी एनिवर्सरी भी है. थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग मी. इट्स माई एनिवर्सरी इन 10 days. मेरे को मार पड़ने से बचा लिया आपने. सो थैंक यू फॉर दिस. दिस इज फॉर यू ऑल्सो दीक्षा सो यू कैन रीड इट. दिस इज माई बर्थडे कार्ड. शी हैजंट रिटन एनीथिंग. Thank you. And may each day of this beautiful reality take you a step closer, a sense of fulfillment and happiness. Thank you so much, Jayata. This will always be cherished. जीनियस. 2 जीनियसेस बैठे मेरे साथ. कह रहा फोटो फ्रेम होगी. ऑफ कोर्स फोटो फ्रेम ही है मैडम. इट्स हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी. दिस इज माय गिफ्ट टू यू. दिस इज साइनिता मुखर्जी. हाँ फ्रॉम कोलकाता. ये तो तेरा एड्रेस है. हैंडमेड थिंग है. Handmade, no? Damn nice, very pretty. It is hot enough for a man to know how to ride. He must know how to fall. Hope you're doing good. As your birthday is on the 25th May, I'm sending you a small gift. Don't go with the size. From my side, with lots of love and good wishes. Actually, I made this glass painting especially for you. Hope you like it and hope it will reach in a single piece. Yes, it has reached in a single piece and it's very pretty. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May God fulfill all your dreams and wishes. Thank you so much. Though this letter, I just want to say that you are the only actor whose shows I prefer to watch. Thank you so much. काश ये बात दुनिया तक पता पहुंच जाए. Though there are a lot of good shows on TV, but still I'm a little biased about your shows. Oh, you should be. Thank you so much because you love me and I love you the same way that you do. And yes, my shows are better and I'm a better actor. No, I'm just kidding. It's all right. By the way, you're doing a superb job as a host in Talash. Thank you so much. It comes at a very good compliment to me. That's why the only thing I do after each and every episode is give feedback on Twitter. Sorry for the rain of tweets. No. I would love to see all your tweets. Yeah, till the time it's a good feedback. I would love to read all of them. Hope to see you soon as an actor on a show. ये दिलाती नहीं यार मुझे को शो. Though many of your fans have already said that, but still saying you're the most humble and down to earth actor I've ever seen. That's why you're my only favorite. Thank you so much. I'm guessing a lot of things have been said, so it's better to stop now. Take care and stay happy always. Sorry for this pathetic handwriting. Who the hell told you it's pathetic? Look at your handwriting. इससे ज़्यादा साफ पता बोर्ड एग्जाम में अगर आप सिर्फ इतना ही लिख के आ जाओ ना आपको 100 में से 100 ऐसे ही मिल जाए. एक हम थे पेपर काले पीले करते रहते थे फिर भी 60-70 नहीं आते थे. लिखते सही आंसर थे ऐसी हैंड राइटिंग मिल जाती है 100 में से 100 ले आते. बताओ. सो टू ऑल ऑफ यू थैंक यू सो मच यार. It's amazing to read, to know, and to see how much efforts you guys have put here. Thank you so much. Hi, this is Shaleen Malhotra. You're watching India Forums, and please subscribe to WhatsApp TV for more information on all of us.